Hello guys, looking for a fast, secure remote access tool that isn't TeamViewer? SetMe is a rising alternative, and today we're telling you and talking about how to exactly use it for remote support. Firstly, of course, go to the official website, which is setme.net, and download the app. You can also install it on Windows, macOS, or Linux, just like TeamViewer. Open the app and choose either Get Support if you're the client, or Provide Support if you're the technician. If you're offering support, you'll need to log in with your SetMe account. Once logged in, you'll get a session code to send to your client. The client enters that code into their SetMe app and clicks Connect. You'll then be prompted to accept the session, and remote control begins instantly. Also, you get full control of their screen, chat features, clipboard syncing, file transfer, and even multi-monitor support. Everything is encrypted end-to-end, so it's safe. Bonus tip, you can also brand the client interface with your company logo if you're on a business plan. And that's how to use SetMe for secure, professional-grade remote support. Like and subscribe for more tech tools and software alternatives. And maybe let me know if you want a comparison against TeamViewer AnyDesk or Chrome Remote Desktop next. See you guys very soon.